What's up, my adventurous viewers? Today, we are on the Mccullough Gulch Trail here in the White National Forest near Breckenridge, Colorado. It's 7 a.m. We're about 1.7 miles into the trail, and we are walking towards White Falls. We're pretty close. That's gonna be all cool and everything. Today, we're after something special, a landmark. We are going for the highest named lake in the United States, Pacific Tarn, sitting at 13,420 feet. Did a little research on the trail, or lack thereof. Gonna be a bunch of boulder hopping, climbing, loose talus, loose scree. Gonna be a fun one though. So that was White Falls, y'all. At just a little less than 2 miles into Mccullough Trail, and you will get to see this beautiful little waterfall. We're now gonna continue on the trail to Lower Lake. Not sure if that's an official name or not, I don't think so, but that's what the trailhead sign said. How's it going? Wonderful. Not much of a trail back here. We just recently turned off the trail to Quandary Peak from the West Ridge. Got out of the wind. Wind is pretty relentless today. I'm sure we'll be back in it soon. Just kind of pick your own path here. Keep climbing up these shelves, and then we should be to the highest lake in about 800 feet of elevation gain. Definitely some loose rock on this climb. Probably should have brought our helmets. Emily and I are kind of taking separate paths, not being directly underneath each other for any rock fall hazards. There's another small unnamed lake. They're pretty much all around up here. at the false summit to the lake. We're almost there though. Just about there. All right, guys, here we are. Highest lake in the United States, Pacific Tarn. Maybe my last time seeing you, but I'm gonna try and float you across the highest lake in the United States. There's the GoPro 7 with the floaty mount. Come on, buddy, you can make it. All right, so the GoPro is here at the shore. Just gotta somehow reach it. Come to me. Got it. Yay! And it's still recording, guys.
Saved her.
Yeah. Just left Pacific Tarn. Views on the way down are pretty amazing. All right, so we're finally down off the route up to Pacific Tarn, highest named lake in the United States. Took us about 5 miles to get to Pacific Tarn, a little over 3,000 feet of elevation gain. A really amazing area. Today was very windy with some extreme wind gusts. Going up to Pacific Tarn, there's a pretty steep gully, extreme rockfall potential. We definitely should have been wearing helmets, especially considering how strong the wind gusts were. Had a couple rocks fly by our heads that would have given us one hell of a headache or probably knocked us out, but we made it down. Section leading up to the ridge of Pacific Tarn and Pacific Peak is extremely steep with lots of rockfall potential. This is where we went up, and this is where the rockfall potential got high. This is a pretty busy trail up to the second lower lake. After that, you probably won't see anybody. Recommended that if you want to reach the highest lake in North America, have at least some class 3 rock climbing experience and some very good route finding experience. And like I said before, definitely bring a helmet.